Hello guys, I am N. Krishna. Today we shall learn about ABC of an acid. Okay, you might have heard that due to unusual overeating, people suffer from acidic problem. I mean, from stomach burning. You might have heard that lemon, orange, tamarind, and amla are acidic fruits. Then what is an acid? What is the test of an acid? Such type of question may come in your mind. Before knowing what is an acid, let us discuss about this test of an acid. Okay, I am not saying it directly. You just imagine, you guess it. I am giving some hints about this test of acid. Lemon contains acid. Oranges contain acid. Tamarind contains acid. Amla contains acid. Curd contains acid. Mango contains acid. So, guess what may be the taste of an acid? I think you have properly guessed. So, we may conclude that acid is sour in taste. In other words, any substance which are sour in taste may be an acid. Okay? The word acid actually comes from the Latin word acere, which means sour. Now, how can we identify acidic solution? We can easily identify by litmus paper test. There are two types of litmus paper. One is red litmus paper. And another is your blue litmus paper. And these are easily available in any chemical store. How we shall do this test? So, in order to know which solution is acidic, you can do a very easy activity. Okay, you take a cup, or you may take a tumbler that is available in your home, a tumbler. Okay, and just take here some lemon juice here, or here also you may take some lemon juice. Now take two types of litmus paper. Dip here the red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, and observe. What you will find here? You will observe here the color of red litmus paper will remain unchanged, but the color of blue litmus paper will turn red. It will turn red. Then do the same type of activity with taking tamarind juice or any acidic juice. Here also we will find the same result. Red will remain unchanged. Blue litmus paper will turn red. Then what we may conclude from this activity? Our conclusion is that, what will be the conclusion here? So from this we may conclude that acid turns blue litmus paper red. Okay, so this may be our conclusion here. Now you might have understood what is an acid. So any substance which is sour in taste and which turns blue litmus to red is an acid. Okay. Type of acids. We may now classify the acid into two categories. One is your natural acid or organic acid, and another is your natural acid or organic acid, and another is mineral or inorganic acid. Mineral or inorganic acid. Mineral or inorganic acid, and another is your natural or organic acid. Mineral or inorganic acid, which are made of different minerals or inorganic materials, and natural or organic acids, which are found in living organism or made of organic substances. Okay, so now we shall discuss about some common acids here. Okay, I am giving you the list of some common acid here according to the category. Here you see list of some common acids, inorganic acids, where it found in generally found in. So in inorganic category, A, hydrochloric acid found in stomach, sulfuric acid in battery water, nitric acid found in acid rain, phosphoric acid found in cold drinks, and in organic acids category, acetic acid found in vinegar, formic acid in ants' sting, citric acid, citrus fruit such as your lemons, oranges, etc. lactic acid found in curd, your tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Oxalic acid, spinach, and malic acid found in tomato. So here are the list of some common acid. Okay, dear student, if you want to learn such important topics about the chemistry, then you may like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, what you have learned here, I am giving you I am summarizing it. We have discussed about the acids. Acids are sore interest. The word acid comes from the Latin word acid, which means sour. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Any substance which is sour in taste and which turns blue litmus paper to red is an acid. Types of acid: mineral or inorganic acid, natural or organic acids. Mineral or inorganic acid means which are made of different mineral or inorganic materials, and organic acid means which are found in living organisms or made of organic substances. So, the student, like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you.